how to master room tags in Revit, how to place them in plans, sections, and how to give them a color scheme. But before that, if you are new to the channel, I'm Ben Jaraswau, an architect, interior designer, and 3D artist. So let's get started by liking the video and hitting the subscribe button. So I will start with the model I have in here. You can follow along with any kind of model you have. So the first thing, let's place rooms. Okay, let's just place them, the rooms, yeah, just like this. It's just a click thing. We click onto the rooms and the room will be assigned automatically. Okay. But what if you want to create a different room for this family room I have here? Since I don't have a wall partition, I cannot create with the automatic part, so I have to create a room separation. So I use a room separator. I will create a line that will separate the room. I will push the sofa a little bit. Okay, yeah, there it is. I can create a new room here now for the family room, family space, just like that. And let's also add a room for the buzz. Okay, it's pretty much just like this. Okay, so we have around 8 rooms inside our plan. So let's rename them. Let's rename master bedroom, master buzz. Okay, bedroom, child bedroom or bedroom. Okay, now let's move it a little bit and also rename this one into corridor. So let's move it up a little bit and let's rename it corridor. Okay, let's also rename this one into bedroom 2. And let's rename this into family space or family room. So we are going to click one of the rooms, edit, type and show area, so that it shows the area of the room. Okay, but as you can see, the room number and the area are distant, so we are going to edit the family. Okay, here we are going to slide down the volume just a little bit, and we are going to delete the room number, so we don't need it. And you have to move up the area and move up the volume. But we don't need a volume, we have to change it to a floor finish. So we are going to insert the floor finish. Get rid of that volume. So we got our name, our area and our floor finish. So let's load into our project. Okay, it's good by now. Let's go to edit type and show volume, so that the volume means the floor finish we have just edited. So now we have easily created our room tags. What we should be doing now is just replacing the question mark with the floor finishes we have. So for the master bedroom we have parquet floor finish. For the master buzz we have a ceramic floor finish. And for the corridor also we have a ceramic floor finish. For the bedroom we have ceramic, not ceramic, we have a parquet floor finish. Sorry for that. And also for bedroom 2 we are going to change the floor finish type to parquet. For the family space, ceramic floor finish. Also the turret and the common buzz will be ceramic floor finish. If you are enjoying the content, consider subscribing and be part of a family where you get such kind of easy and valuable tutorials twice a week, and luckily it's free. Okay, it's mainly just like this. So we are done with creating and placing room tags into our plan. So the next chapter will be giving them a color scheme so that every room has a different color. This is really important in showcasing for the client or in presentations. So let's do that. So we are going to the properties panel and open the color scheme. We are going to change the space with the rooms, and we are going to click the name. So we got it. So Revit will automatically create the color scheme for us, but if you want, we can change the color of every room we want. So let's leave it just like this. Yeah, so we are created color scheme for our rooms. Yeah, as you can see, this is really interesting. Each room has a separated color. It is light colors. It doesn't really interfere with the plan we have. Just to remember, you can change the color of any kind of room you want. But for now, let's undo this and let's get back to the previous. Yeah, just like this. And after we finish creating the color schemes, we need to create a legend. So we are going to do that with, you are going to go to annotate tab, and there is a color fill legend. Yeah, there we are going to drag that. Revit will automatically do that for us. So let's place it. So we are done creating room tags in a simple and easy way, creating color scheme and also room legend. And just for a quick reminder, you can change the font if you want, also the size of the text. Yeah, just like this. It's really up to you. So we are done creating the room tags and the color scheme for our plan. But what if you want to create the room tags in section? It is easy. So we are just going to click the room tag, and we are going to place them just like this. It is pretty easy. So you can just create something like this. It is it for this video. I hope you get something valuable, and it will help me a lot if you like, subscribe and hit that bell, so you will never miss out new videos. Share your thoughts in the comment sections. It can be questions or video suggestions. I would love to hear from you.